This is the engineering update for the sprint ending on October 12th, 2021. This sprint, we worked on plan management renewal, whereby admin can now send bulk payment reminder emails, and we can now see the general fund balance as well as unallocated fund on the user detail page. For GetFlow, we worked on the ability to store videos of faces and IDs for registered guests, and the ability for guards to complete guest profiles with those face videos and ID photos. We wanted to research face recognition libraries for Ciudad Morazan, but we didn't get around to it, and as we ran out of time. We also wanted to standardize form fields, search boxes, and body styles as part of a UX initiative, and we decided to switch our design tool from Sketch to Figma instead. In terms of permissions, we worked on integrating our backend permission-based roles with our front-end permissions. Front-end and backend have reads from the same set of permissions. In terms of miscellaneous tasks, we worked on the ability to log in with email. We also have automated deployment Monday through Thursday. We also worked on end-to-end tests for custom forms and payment plans and the ability to upload files in observations. We also worked on reducing non-vulnerabilities. And we wanted to work on researching a central logging solution, but we didn't get around to it, as well as upgrading important NPM package. We did try to upgrade the NPM packages, but we encountered issues that took too long to fix. So we had to backtrack. We wanted to optimize the front-end test, but we also ran out of time. So next sprint, we're going to work on GetFlows. Resident, admin, and clients will be able to invite a visitor user as a guest. Visitors and registered guests will have the ability to enter their own information, and we will be working on a flow for approving self-registered guest and visitor. For forms and workflows, we need to add subtask to task, and also the ability to link a form to a parent task, as well as adding and editing of a template task with subtask. That section is really for our new client, Tilisi. For permissions, we will continue migrating payments to our unified permission system. In terms of payments, we will be working on searching for upcoming payments, displaying the next due date for the next payment, the ability to create and set an email template for upcoming payments, and of course, sending an email for upcoming payments. And finally, we will also load the final payment data from the spreadsheet, from the Enqueshi spreadsheet. Miscellaneous task, we have to update our privacy policy in Spanish. We need to improve the UI for the SOS button, and we also need to set up Tilisi as a new community. We had 40 merge requests, which is a 14% increase from the previous sprint. We had 71 issues in the sprint, and we completed 46, which means that we had 25 left open. In terms of code coverage, we had a small increase to 78.23%. In terms of highlight and lowlight, I am still evaluating video surveillance company for GetAccess, and I'm not really happy with any of them so far, so I'm still doing more research. We are very close to defining an MVP for Tilisi, which is great, and known vulnerabilities are down significantly. We're almost at meeting our goal of 79% for our code coverage, and for our merge requests, our goal is 28, we're at 40, and in terms of non-vulnerability, we're at 38, our goal is 10, so we still have ways to go, but the previous sprint where we were at 83, so it's a nice drop.